Dear students, welcome to Sheikh Mathematics classes. Today we start technique number 12. Technique 12 we have if the population of a town is P and it increases or decreases at the rate of R% per annum, then number 1, population after n year equal to P into 1 plus minus R by 100 to the power n. And population n year ago, this equal to P 1 plus minus R by 100 to the power n. So after n year means P into this, and 1 year ago means P by this. This is the difference between the formula. Now let us consider one problem. The population of a town is 352800. If it increases at the rate of 5% per annum, then what will be its population 2 years hence? Also find the population 2 years ago. So the options are given. What will be the correct option? We have to find. So solution is that population after 2 years equal to, this is our formula, P by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. The formula is the plus minus given. Plus sign means increment and minus sign means decrement. If increases, then we write plus sign, decrease means minus sign. So here given increases given, so we consider only plus sign. So the P value is 352800 and R means 5 by 100 to the power n means 2. So this will be 352800. This is cancelling, we get 1 by 20 to the power 2. Then 352800, this is 20, 21. 21 by 20 whole square. This is 35280. 21 by 20, 21 by 20. We get this one. This 20 will be cancelled. And if we cancelling this by 4 8 jar, cancelling by 4 8 jar 32, then we get 4 8 jar 32, then we get 8 4 2 jar 8, then 8 8 2 into 21 into 21, this result will be 388962. We get this one. So this is our answer we get. If we multiplying this 3, this is 441 into this, we get this result. So the population after 2 years, this is our answer. Next, also find the population 2 years ago. Therefore, again population 2 year ago, this equal to P by this formula. This is P by 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. And P means we know the value of P given 352800 by 1 plus R means 5 by 100 to the power 2, and here increase means we write plus, and this will be 35280 by again 20 21 by 20 whole square. this will be 352,800 into 400 by 441. This 441 by 400, this becomes a numerator and this one in denominator. If we calculate this, then we get 32,000. We get this our answer. So after 2 years ago, population 2 year ago, this is our formula, and answer we get 3240. This is 000 4 times, and after 2 years, this is our answer. So this and this our answer. Option this A is our correct option. So answer is A. Option A is our answer. We consider another problem. The population of a city is 25,000. It is increasing at the rate of 2% every year. The growth in the population after 2 years is, these are the options given: 2500, 104 times, 252,000, 10100. These are the options given, and it was set in CLAT 2013. Now we have to find this solution. Solution is start. Here P given, R given. So we get population after 2 year. 2 year equal to, the formula is P1 plus R by 100 to the power n. This is our formula. So P given, R given, n given, just putting the value. P means 25,000, and 1 plus R means 2 by 100. This is 2 after 2 years. This is 2. N is 2, R is 2. So this is 25,000, and this is cancelling. We get 50, and 1 plus 1 by 50 to the power 2. 25,000. This is 51 by 50 whole square. 25,000, 51 by 50, 51 by 50. So this 20 cancel, and 5, 25. This 25 also cancel, and we get 100. And 100 into this, we get 260,100. We get this one, 260,100. But actually our requirement, the growth in the population after 2 years. Therefore, growth means this minus this P, this one. Growth equal to 260,100 minus 25,000. Then we get 10100. This is, if we subtract, we get this our answer. So option D is our correct option. So this is the answer. Very nice solution. So dear students, I hope you are feeling easy. You are all feeling easy. This type of problem is very easy, not only for me, that only easy for you also. So if you are feeling easy, then please like this video. If you are new in my channel, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.